Yes. Oh, I see us.
Oh, hi!
Go ahead and take a look at it.
The cat's meow. Are you looking for a perfect cup of coffee? Maybe you just need a relaxing break.
Not much we can add to this story. But it made the book. If it made the book, how are you?
Good, how are you?
This is the Cat Cafe.
Yes, it sure is.
I'm retracing 111 places in Vancouver that you should not miss. And you know you're in the book.
Really?
Yeah.
Tracing. What do you mean tracing?
I'll show you the book. On my YouTube. YouTube and Rumble, so I'm making a series of the book. I'm bringing the 111 places
You're like
to
doing an actual
video.
book?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So let me show you.
Yeah.
And you keep talking because you sound really good. This is the book.
Oh my god, that's wait. Do you mind if we take a look at it?
Yeah, let me find
I
it.
just like
Let me find you.
immediately. I'm like, yes, book.
It's a book.
I love books.
Yeah, I know you do. You have a whole book list. I saw your new shelf. That was awesome.
Yeah.
You're such a nerd.
Yes.
You might
Oh,
There it
I
is.
see us.
Oh, hi!
Go ahead and take a look at it.
The cat's meow. Are you looking for a perfect cup of coffee? Maybe you just need a relaxing break, hectic day. Oh my god. Oh, that's not true anymore.
What is? Oh, 8 to 12?
8 to 12? Yeah, way more. We have
Way more.
25. We can have 25 cats at a time.
I mean,
21.
we've even had like 35 at some point.
Oh my god.
Which is too many.
It's too many. Yeah.
Which
So what is it? If people bring their pet, their cat?
no.
It's
You
more
have
like
your
it's more
own.
like an orphanage. So we work with a shelter, and then the rescue cats that are okay would be this kind of situation would be brought here,
Okay.
and so people meet the cats. You can adopt them. Yeah.
So you are a safe house.
Yeah, pretty much.
We're like
For
a
cats.
middleman. Yeah. People
So
get
people
to meet.
find stray cats, they bring them here.
No.
To the shelter first.
Yeah.
First to an animal shelter or cat shelter specifically.
They're cats and dogs.
Yeah.
Heart
Cats and dogs,
soul,
small
dog and
animals.
cat rescue, yeah.
And then they call you and say, do you have space?
Exactly.
And
Basically.
then they bring it here.
Yeah, so every 2 weeks we get new cats, and as we adopt cats, new cats come in, and it's just like a constant rotation.
This is old because it's still SPCA. We work with Heart and Soul.
Yeah, we
Good.
no longer
That's
work
good.
with-
It's going on the camera right now.
So yeah, we work
So
with
we
Heart
will
and Soul
correct.
now.
The last edition they did was 2019. So,
Okay, so it's been
just
a
as the
while.
pandemic was starting,
Yeah.
In fact, one of the places already in there I went. It's called Baker's Dozen Vintage on Main.
Yeah.
It's not there anymore.
Oh no!
It's an empty lot. The building
Oh,
is
no.
dilapidated. But I think I got a message back from them. They're out in Sawassee.
It's okay.
cat nap. Oh, we're about to take that cat nap in about 45 minutes.
What is there anything that I should put on the video that would be cool?
Since our opening, we have adopted out 1,400 cats.
Is there a cat I can take a picture of? Or
So
I can't go in there?
This cat in particular is Junior. He is our resident cat.
This one there.
Yes. So
Beautiful.
he's been living here for about 2.5 years, and he's been helping all the cats feel a lot better. Oh, this one's dreaming. Look at him. He's twitching.
My sister, next to me in age, is a big cat lover. She has a cat. The cat's name is Squeaks.
That's a cute name.
And the cat has been purring and crying like a little baby. It's an older cat. She got a fluorescent kind of lit watering bowl that has light and produces water. And the cat has stopped making the noise as much.
Oh, because he's so preoccupied. I gotcha.
Can I go in there with this?
Oh, we
Or
actually
no?
have a private event going
Okay.
on right now. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I don't want to. I just want to do, it'll be a few minutes. I'm doing a series, so there'll be several in each one, and they're intended to help bring awareness as well. So some people like books. I'm more visual if I can see and hear something. And so when my sister gave me that, and I said, I'm going to go to every one of those spots.
I love that.
And
That's
then make a
good idea.
series on my YouTube and Rumble channel. And so you're going to be on it. Advisor Danny, don't forget to check it out.
Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny, you're both going to be stars.
Junior.
What else should I know about this and the good people that are watching? Oh, you're so cute.
Make reservations, please.
It's always a good idea to make reservations because we don't like disappointing people, but we do have a limited amount of
It's
space.
so full away, especially when they come from afar,
Okay.
and you're like, I'm sorry, there's so many people inside already. There's
Well, I spend a lot of time in Japan. In fact, I was living there before coming back to Canada. And cat cafes in Tokyo, I think, are more popular than people
Yes.
realize. Actually taking their cat and having tea
Oh.
in a place. So it's an actual place.
Look at
Something?
Alfredo. He's trying to sniff this person's shoes. Alfredo.
Looking around the corner. Oh, there's the person. I couldn't see it in the shadow.
Alfredo.
So people make reservations to come do what? Look at the cats?
just hang out with the
Just
cats.
hang out with
yeah,
cats.
it's like what the people are doing inside right now, which is you get to basically have like a therapeutic cat session where you
Okay.
go around, pet them, play with them. You can grab like a cup of coffee or tea and a snack and just kind of like enjoy a little cafe stay.
So it's like a regular coffee shop,
Yeah.
but they're cats
Yeah.
inside. And they might decide to adopt a cat,
yeah.
and then you interview them, make sure they're not cat
That is
killers or anything like that.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
that's actually what I'm glad for you to bring up is yes, we do have a vetting process that it's not the same day adoption, so it can take around a couple weeks at a time. So we do an application process, an interview process. The shelter will do the ultimate approval.
Okay.
They say yes, then we set up an adoption day.
So are you owned by the shelter?
No, we're not. We're just associated with them.
Yeah.
Privately owned,
Yes.
Yeah.
but the shelter has veto power.
That's
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, because they're
They-
the ones who rescue them. They're the ones who spend all this
Oh,
money and
okay.
resources on them.
You're hosting.
You're sitters, you're
Pretty
babysitters,
much.
you're not the owners of the cat.
No.
You're
Exactly.
giving them a good place in the stopgap, in
Exactly.
between.
Yes.
Yes,
Very
but we do the adoptions here. So like when it's time for a cat to go home, we're the ones who are like signing all the contracts and putting the cat in the carrier. So it's like so cute because you get
What-
to send the cats off.
What's your name?
Christina,
Christina, where are you from originally?
Russia.
Russia, spasiba. My father,
We were just talking about something.
my father was born there. Soviet Union, it was Ukraine, but it was a Russian passport before he
Yeah.
came here in '48.
Yeah, I've been here
cool.
a while.
Cool. I love it. I've been to St. Petersburg. I've taken the train to Moscow.
Beautiful.
I've been to the ballet.
Yeah, oh,
How about you?
I was born and raised here, but I'm Filipino.
Salamat. When I was the last
She's
year
an adult.
before the pandemic, I was going every month to Manila from
are you
Tokyo to help start small businesses
Yeah.
for a Japanese client who's married
Okay.
to a Filipino, mostly in Taytay, Rizal, and Antipolo area outside of Makati.
Okay, that
Where are
works.
you from in the Philippines?
I actually wasn't born or raised there.
What
so-
family is from?
My mother's side is in Manila, and then my father's side is Nueva Vizcaya, so just around
Oh,
the
okay.
provinces in northern Luzon. Yeah.
When you watch my channel, go
Yes.
to the playlist. You'll see a Jollibee playlist.
Oh my God.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm out of here.
Of course.
Advisor Danny's the channel, and
Will-
in
yeah,
about a
check
week
out.
I'll start putting up 12-minute segments.
Oh, fantastic.
So it'll probably be 10, 12 different videos covering all 111 places.
That's exciting. All right.
What was your name?
Alex. Allie.
Christina and Allie. Look at
Yes.
these special people. Let's get in here. Maybe this will be a thumbnail. Look at these delightful cat lovers, making the world a better place for cats.
We try.
Yes. We try.
See you again sometime.
Of course.
Bye bye.
Oh my god. He's just so high.
So in the International Plaza, corner of Pender and Abbott, you'll find this delightful place called the Cat Fee Cafe. And if you love cats, this is the place you want to come. And the reason they put it into the book. All right, we're on to the next one. Not much we can add to this story, but it made the book. If it made the book, it makes the video. And we're off.